Hi, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set assignments on the Google Classroom app or your phone. So this is the first method, which is the easier one. So first, I will head over to the Google Classroom app on my phone and I will click on it. As soon as I click on it, all the classrooms that I have will be there in front of me. I'll choose the English tuition classwork over here and then I'll click on the classwork tab and then I will click on the plus sign on the right bottom corner and select assignment option. Once the page opens, I'll enter the title of the assignment like this. And after that, I will type in the description. Now this is the place where you can describe what the assignment is about, or you can type in your instructions, whichever you deem fit. Once you have typed in the instructions like I'm doing here, you can head over to the points. Now points are the option where you can set the full marks for the assignment, or you can just leave it unmarked altogether. Both options are available. Choose any one and click save. And after that, you can set a due date if you want to. So I'm setting the due date of tomorrow, that is 3rd, and click OK. And then I can also set a turn in time. So within this time, the assignment has to be submitted. Otherwise, Google Classroom will automatically prompt that the assignment has been submitted late. And now when it comes to choosing the topic, I will create a separate topic from the add topic option. I will type in assignment over here. These are the separate categories where you can, segregate the work on your Google Classroom. It makes it easier for your students and for you as well. Now I will choose the all students option. Over here I can set the assignment for all the students in the classroom or any particular student. Just check the box beside the name, okay? The box beside the name should be checked based on who you want to assign this to. And once you have just selected any name, so for instance, I am choosing Athena's name, I'll click done. And then finally, I'll click the arrow pointed towards the right on the top right corner. And you will see that the assignment is live. So the assignment will be published immediately. And if you click on the assignment like this, you will see that the assignment is now visible. So this is the first way in which you can set assignments on Google Classroom. In the second method, I will first head over to the Google Docs app on my phone instead of the Google Classroom. So I'll open the Google Docs app on my phone and I'll click the plus sign on the bottom right corner and choose new document. So once I do that, a new doc file will open in front of me. So I can type in anything here. If you want to set an assignment with a particular question or sum, just type it in over here. This is exactly like the MS Word file that we use on our computers. So I'm just typing out a particular question over here or a statement that the student needs to address. So it's write a paragraph on your hobby. Okay, and the full marks I am assigning as 15. So I'll just put it right here in the brackets. Okay, and once that is done, I will click the top right corner and I'll choose the share and export option over here. When I click the share and export option, you will see the link sharing option is there. You have to click it on, and you will see the message updating link sharing, and finally link sharing turned on and link copied will appear. Now you have to go back and you have to head over to your Google Classroom app. It was minimized on my phone. So I'm heading over to Google Classroom directly, and then I'll select English Tuition Classroom. Okay. Now I will open the classwork tab and select the plus sign from the bottom right corner and select the assignment option from here. Now I will title the assignment as assignment 2. I will provide a description if required. I will set the marks as I have told you. Say I am setting the marks over here as 10 because I had set the same marks in the doc file. And then I will click on that Gems clip option on top and select the link option from the drop down. And it is here that I will paste the link of the doc file that I had copied. So just click paste and then add, and the link will automatically lead you to the doc file. Now from the option that is there on the right side beside the doc file, you have to click that option and select make a copy for each student. This option should be enabled at any cost. You should not forget this step. And once you are done, you can set a due date like I had shown you in the previous assignment. A turn-in time also can be set according to your convenience. This is very handy when you are actually conducting an exam. So I am setting the turn-in time as 6 p.m. and the topic I will select assignment. Okay, just for my convenience, and then I'll save. Now let me show you another trick, that is when you click the 3 dots on the top right corner, you see so many options: schedule, save draft, delete draft. You can click on the schedule option and automatically you will get a chance, an option to set the date and time at which the assignment will come live on the classroom. Once you have set it, you can just simply click schedule and your assignment will be there in the Google Classroom at your desired time. You see, scheduled tomorrow. I have set it today, that is why they are showing scheduled tomorrow. And you also have the edit option from the right corner menu. Alright, so you can edit the timing. So that's how you can easily set an assignment on Google Classroom. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and go Whimsy.